Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1062. Today's topic is the role of 1-naphthalene acetic acid, commonly known as NAA. It is also called as synthetic plant hormone. To stop the drop of citrus fruits. Why I have selected this topic? Because I have noticed recently within 1-2 weeks time in Maiduguri, where I have seen a lot of citrus fruit flowering, especially lemon and oranges. First thing I have noticed that the half of the plant is having flowers and rest of the are without flower, no flowering, and those which are having flowering, the 80%, 60% flowers are dropping, and that is big question mark. Definitely it indicates that there is some deficiency, and that deficiency I have identified is nutritional deficiency. If I say nutritional deficiency, you know that plants, they need primary and secondary nutrients. Primary means carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and some other nutrients like potash, like iron, calcium, magnesium, a lot. So once there is deficiency of all these minerals, nitrogen, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and at the same time hormonal deficiency, then only we have such type of abnormalities in flowering. First, the half of the plants are having flower and half without flower. Secondly, those flowers which are coming, they are weak and they are falling. And those who are not, not falling, they just once the fruit is developing in very small size, like bean size, like this. For example, if flower is there, flower like this, flowers. So once the flower is coming in lemon and oranges, is weak from here and is falling from here, and some ones, even when it is becoming like that, that once the fruit is forming of this size, just like a small bean size, then again they are broken from here, and because of that reason, some 50-60% lemon and oranges are broken and they are falling. So this is actually because of one factor, that is nutritional deficiency, and second is hormone. And the most important hormone today, synthetic one, that is called 1-naphthalene acetic acid. This is your important hormone, which I have written its chemical name. Is naphthalene this is your 1-naphthalene acetic acid, and it is commonly known as NAA. It is synthetic hormone, plant hormone, It is your synthetic plant hormone. That is the structure of your 1-naphthalene acetic acid, which is called as plant hormone. And the spraying of this hormone is called hormone therapy to plant. And hormone therapy to plant as well as animal is very sensitive matter. One has to be very careful. For example, this hormone, where I have given the structure, it looks very simple, that 1-naphthalene acetic acid, that is, if you go to Google or Amazon online marketing, they are selling as plant hormone NAA. NAA means naphthalene acetic acid. It is costly. And if you prepare yourself, it is very cheap. But in preparation, everybody cannot prepare. All the farmers cannot prepare. We can prepare and provide them. For example, if you take 4 gram and 4 ml in 200 liter water. If you prepare, you take 4 ml of 1-naphthalene acetic acid in 200 liter of water. Such dilution is required. If suppose it is not very diluted, rather than to bring lot of positive results, it will give negative result. That's why hormone therapy, one has to be very careful in concentration. So it should not be applied in concentrated form. Make sure. And 4 ml means is a very simple calculation. Everybody is not having measuring cylinder, all the farmers. Just take a teaspoon. Just take 1 teaspoon in 200 liter water. That's all. And mix it. So in that case, if you order 1-naphthalene acetic acid, or you can get from any lab, just bring 4-5 bucket and make it 200 liter water. Just put 1 teaspoon and shake it and then spray. After the spraying, there will be drastic change in that plant flowering. Before flowering, or once it is going to start flowering, at the bosom of its flowering, then you apply. So it will take care of the falling of the flower as well as the falling of the very small citrus fruits. And the other natural hormone which is present in the plant, that is called gibberellic acid. That gibberellic acid is already synthesized by the plant, is a type of diterpene, and once the synthetic one is applied, they will go side by side together and it will be enhanced its cell division, the plant cell division. A lot of root will be developed, and also the cellulose formation will be more. And the reaction mechanism is that these hormones, they are involved in oxidation reaction. They will oxidize the hydroxy as well as sulfate radical which are present in the plant, and with that the nutrients will be distributed, and as a hormone it will be playing its role. So once it is applied, definitely this problem will be over. So this segment of chemistry lecture is for those farmers or for those horticulturists who are growing these citrus plants for citrus fruit. They should take the benefit. And this hormone is a very popular hormone globally. And I understand in Nigeria also they must be knowing. I am going to discuss one by one some lot of other chemistry of soil also, how to maintain the soil health. That is the organic chemistry. In that it will be clear. So here it is gibberellic acid, and that is natural plant hormone which is produced by plant, this acid, and it is taking care. But sometimes there is deficiency of nutrient, lot of nitrogen, then phosphorus, potash, calcium, magnesium, all these minerals along with this hormone. So the synthetic one, that is 1-naphthalene acetic acid, Na, is given. So along with this natural and synthetic, they will boost the hormone action, and it will cover that problem. Of course, in that farming, there is role of fungus also. Sometimes these fungus, they may not allow such type of flowering, normal fruit, all these things, and it will cover that fungus also. It will not allow fungus to dominate once these hormones are enough. That is the main reason. And this hormone, that is the synthetic one, 1-naphthalenic acetic acid or naphthalene acetic acid, two names are given. One is sometimes in some of the books it is given naphthalenic acetic acid, or in some one it is 1-naphthalene acetic acid. One stands for the position at which the carboxylic acid is attached, that aromatic ring position, that is called, that's why it is one. And this hormone, 1-naphthalene acetic acid, NAA, plant hormone, is applicable to every plant, even to mango, even to tomatoes, so many vegetables, because it helps in your vegetative growth normally, and it takes care of the flowering, normal flowering and stable, strong flowering. And when the development or growth of fruit starts, it will hold, it will not allow where it is linked or attached to that stalk to fall. It will not allow to be weak. So these are all very, very important things for this hormonal chemistry. And let in North Nigeria, not only whole Nigeria, we should go for hormonal therapy. It's the latest one. I am giving this information, I have given the structure, every information. We are online, digital age. Go to online and get it. And if in case this hormone is very costly, I have already told you the method. Very simple. Take 1 teaspoon, which is around 5 ml. And if you are not feeling too much, it will be around 4. That 1 teaspoon, you add in 200 liter, dilute it and spray on the plant. That is enough. Yeah, so here I have given in summary. Number 1-naphthalene acetic acid, NAA, that is synthetic plant hormone, is a plant hormone. It is main ingredient in horticulture farming, like citrus fruit production. It is synthetic hormone and act as a rooting agent and very good for vegetative propagation of citrus plants from stem to leaf. Number 2, NAA means 1-naphthalene acetic acid does not occur naturally, and this hormone should be used in the plant in a very dilute form. That is, you can add 4 ml in 200 liter water, and if it is in concentrated form, it will harm. It is not very dilute. If it is not, IFF is correct. If it is not very dilute and concentrated form, will harm. Number 3, that is naphthalene acetic acid hormone, that is plant hormone, helps in cellulose formation in plants when paired with other natural phytohormone, and that natural phytohormone is called gibberellic acid, and it can immediately stop the dropping of premature flowers and premature fruits. That I have already discussed in detail, that this hormone is very important if you want to stop premature flower drop and premature fruit drop. You use it, and it is applied just after blossom fertilization. NAA undergoes oxidation reaction with OH and sulfate radical. This hormone also increases the root formation, and it can be applied by spraying on the plants. Number 4, a gibberellic acid, that is natural plant hormone, is naturally occurring plant hormone, and that is very important for plant growth. It can stimulate cell division, and this hormone also helps in seed germination, stem elongation, flowering, and fruit development. So it is my advice to horticulturists or those farmers who are involved in citrus fruit farming that they should go for this 1-NAPHATHALINE acetic acid synthetic plant hormone, and then they should also take care of fungal growth, and also, which is very important, that is this, I call it health of the soil. Just like our health, human health, soil is having its health. Check all the nutrients if there is deficiency, or if there are some nematodes, because there are a variety of nematodes. They are also disturbing element in growth. So take care of all this and get maximum production of your crop. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.